Here are 5 things you didn't know about Azure Cognitive Services in this episode of Azure Tips and Tricks. The first one is that you can run cognitive services in a container. This enables you to run them anywhere, including on your local machine and your own data center. For instance, you can run the language understanding service, LUIS, in a container and run it on your own server. You can learn how to get started with Azure Cognitive Services in containers in the documentation. The second thing is custom domain names. When you've created a Cognitive Services resource, you can access it through a URL like this one. And you can customize this URL. Just go to Networking, and here you can generate a custom domain name. Fill in a name here, and that's it. Now let's go back. And the endpoint now has the custom domain name. The third thing is exporting models for offline use. The Custom Vision service enables you to create AI models for custom image data that you provide. You can use this to create an API that, for instance, can tell you if an image that you upload contains a cat or a dog. Typically, you use models like these with mobile applications, which do not always have an internet connection. And because of that, you can export the AI model of the Custom Vision API to various formats, so that you can use it offline. And the fourth thing is Bing Statistics. You can use Bing Statistics to get analytics from the Bing Search APIs. This helps you to see which queries are used, how much they are used, and from where they are used. You can simply enable Bing Statistics here in the Azure portal with the add-in for Cognitive Services. And the final thing is the API console. Cognitive services are APIs that you talk to. And to talk to APIs, you need great documentation. You can find that in the Cognitive Services Developer Portal, which also provides a playground for the API. Just select the API and method that you want to test and fill in the parameters, including your Cognitive Services subscription key, to create a request for the API and try it out. Cognitive services enable you to use AI as a service, and now you know a little bit more about them. Go and check them out.